Ever wonder why some people achieve success effortlessly while you stay stuck? It all comes down to habits. And today, I'll share 5 life-changing habits that can completely transform your productivity. Habits shape our future. The best part? You don't need drastic changes, just small, consistent improvements. Number 1, morning mindset. Your morning sets the tone for your day. Instead of grabbing your phone, take a minute to set intentions, visualize, or plan your goals. A focused start leads to a productive day. Number 2, the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. For bigger tasks, just start for 2 minutes. You'll likely keep going. This simple trick beats procrastination fast. Number 3, learn 1%. Every day, small progress adds up. Read a page, watch an insightful video, or practice a skill for a few minutes. Tiny daily efforts lead to massive long-term growth. Number 4, move your body. Physical movement sharpens focus. A short walk, stretch, or quick workout can instantly boost your energy and keep your brain active. Number 5, nighttime reflection. Before bed, reflect on your day. What went well? What to improve? Jotting down thoughts clears your mind and sets you up for a better tomorrow. Building these 5 habits can completely shift your life, but consistency is key. And if procrastination is holding you back, I've got an easy step to help you break free from procrastination. Click here to watch the video. If this video was helpful, then make sure to like and subscribe, and also share this video to also help others.